Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search through your Instagram history. So let's get right into it. Now, your history on Instagram, or specifically your activity, only tells you a couple of things. It doesn't help you check what you searched for or any posts that you viewed. What you can do to see what you searched for is go into the search menu itself and then go into search, and then that might help you. But otherwise, you have a couple of things you can see in the history, and to get to it, you can go into your account, bottom right, click your profile icon, then go into the three bars at the top right, and as you can see, you have all of this. You can go into your activity, you can go into your saved, you can go into your archive. Those are all sort of forms of histories. And yeah, what you're going to do is go into your activity. This has the most histories that you might have. It has your engagements such as likes and comments. It doesn't have shares. You can check those in the chats with other people, and you have tags, sticker responses, recently deleted or archived posts, not interested and interested, account history, etc., etc. So you can choose whichever one you want from this menu, and you're basically set. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.